Friends, this is EduGuru Solutions. Today I brought an important topic on mail merge program. So please do subscribe if you like this video. So mail merge program can be done in just few minutes to create thousands of letters. In just simple 6 steps, I'm going to explain one by one. In first step, we are going to create Excel document. So simple, my friends. In second step, Word document. Third step, just merge these two documents, connect it. And the fourth one, select recipients. And fifth one, just insert fields. And the last sixth step, just merge MS Word and Excel documents to get merged third document. So it's so simple, my friends. I'm going to show you step by step. So first you need to create a folder separately somewhere you like. I just kept this folder on my desktop. Just let me open and show you. This is an Excel document. This is database document, and the second one is Word document. This is main document, it is called. So I'm going to merge these two to create third merged document, that is an output. That one I require. So let me close this and explain one by one. So first I have to create an Excel. So here I have an Excel database with some field names called roll number, name, father's name. So friends, you must list out what are all the fields you need to merge in MS Word. That is very important. I just created 10 to 15 fields like roll number to photo. So here let me enter some data. This is very important. So I'm going to enter data, roll number, just name, father's name, medium, so marks of some subjects, and total, a result, grade, and photo, my friends. This is very important. Let me zoom this and show you how to insert a photo in the merged document in MS Word. So you need to connect the photograph from Excel database to MS Word. So how to connect that? So you can't simply connect text. You need to connect the photograph from Excel to MS Word. How to connect that? Including these data, and you need to connect photograph also. So let me show you. So before inserting a photo link, you need to create a folder called student pics. I have around some cartoon pics I kept here. So around 10 pics are there because I have 10 rows, 10 records are there. So I have 10 pics here. All are in passport size, my friends. You can see carefully, all are in same size. You must create passport size, pixel size, especially I say 150 by 150 pixel size ratio, so that you can insert that passport size pic in MS Word cell. So let me close this. So I'm going to connect these pictures in this Excel cell. So let me connect that photograph. So I'll go to insert tab, just I'll go to hyperlink, click this. So let me open that F drive. I'm going to open student pics. Where is it? So student pics, one by one. I just click one. You can see in blue color font size around 11. Let me increase the size. You can see clearly 16. See, so I'm going to insert again one by one. So go to insert, go to hyperlink, and go again F drive. So let me go to students pics. I'm going to insert the second one, insert, and go again, third one. So I'm going to insert the same pic here. So let me show you, my friends. So student pics, and third one, insert, and so on. You can insert one by one. Let me show you how to do that. So it is a very good exercise. This is very important to include student pics, and include fourth one. You can see here. Let me include whatever. So 5, just include this 5 student pics, and let me include this. So don't worry about the number and all. So important thing is names. Go to F drive, go to student pics, open this and click that 7 and go to that and click and go there, click F drive, go to student pics, open this and click 8, and so on, my friends. So you can go on include these pictures. Let me change the size of the font here around 16. So here what you need to do one by one, you see, you just go to first one, click this here and go to formula bar, slowly move the cursor towards left and go to the slash, include the same slash before that one more, and go again, move the cursor towards left, go to the slash, in front of it insert one more slash, just include the slash. Similarly for second one, go there, just include this and go there, include, and go to third one and go to third one, include backslash and include one more backslash, go to another one, backslash and go to backslash again, insert and press enter. You can see double slashes here, my friends. Here you can see double slashes. So initially you can see single slash and you entered manually the second slash. So finally I'm going to do this. So let me insert backslash here. I just inserted only 5 pics, my friends. So you can insert completely. You can practice more and just press enter. So I have inserted here. So let me show you completely the database here from roll number to photograph. So let me save this document first. I just saved. You must close the database Excel document before mail merge. So I'm going to close this. So now you have to open the Word document where you need to create a format where Excel database can be inserted here properly. So you need to create a Word document like page layout, go to orientation, landscape. You can insert even a page color, you see, proper standard colors of public documents like marks memorandum of any government, like this color. You can insert this, and you need to create different fields, standard format. So like a very important thing is you must remember, so text you can create, but very important thing is for photograph you need to insert a table, single cell like this, and you can see single cell here, and create size like this, passport size shape, and so make sure the size should be 6 centimeters by 6 centimeters ratio. So you can create that centimeters ratio in layout. Go to layout, so click in this, select height 6 centimeters and press enter, and width 6 centimeters press enter. You get standard 6 by 6, and even you can move to any place, my friends, by holding this like flower structure here. You can move from left to right, top to bottom. You can keep even on the right top of the document here like this. So now you can type here Marx memorandum, whatever. So I'm going to show you how I created. Let me close this. You can see a complete format of that Marx memorandum. Board of Secondary Education, Government of whatever XYZ, so SSC. So you have sorry my friends. So roll number, you have candidate's name, father's name, medium, and the subjects I have shown you in Excel. Here you can see, and whatever marks I'm going to include here, and the grand total I'm going to include here, and result I'm going to include this, grade, and photograph here. Very careful, you need to see how I insert a photograph here. Now friends, I have only one single document here. I don't have any more. I have only one. This is MS Word document, my friends. Sorry. So here you need to insert fields. Slowly you can observe I have mailings. I'm going to start mail match by just clicking mailings. Just click recipients, go to use existing list to select Excel document. So I kept on desktop. I'll go to mail match in MS Word, just open it. I'll go to database document Excel, open. So I just kept all the database sorry, in sheet 1, click OK. So now one by one I'm going to insert a field. Now on roll number, I just click a cursor in roll number field. I have text boxes here. Just insert this. Just first roll number. See, field is inserted. I'm going to zoom little bit here. So I click in candidate's name and I'm going to click name. So father's name, I just click this arrow mark to include father's name. Medium, I'm going to include medium here. So simple, my friends. So let me include all these marks one by one by clicking, just click the cursor. This is very important. First language, so click first language, and second language, click second language, third language, click third language. This is very important, my friends. If you insert any wrong field, the whole merging document will go wrong. The third one is maths, and the fifth one is science, and the last subject is social studies. So now grand total I need. So click cursor, just click this, you get total here. So again I have two more, result, click cursor, go to the insert merge field and you get result here, and again you click here, insert grade, you have grade here. So I just inserted all the fields, my friends, properly without any mistake, I hope. So the last one is photograph here. I just kept photograph here. So even you can remove the line here. You can see the line. You can only just paste the letter. To remove this line, select the cell. I'll go to home. Just here I can remove the borders. See, I remove it. So I have a cell here, table cell. You can see this structure, and I'm going to insert the field now, photograph. So see carefully, my friends. I just click mailings, and I'm going to include photo carefully. Please observe carefully. So I am going to select this photo field. I'm going to cut this. I'm going to cut. I kept in memory. So I'm going to insert later. Now let me type by pressing Ctrl F9. Remember my friends, Ctrl F9 just to include two programmable braces. This is very important. You can't insert from keyboard. You can insert these two braces, left and right braces, with the help of holding Control key and function key F9. Now I am going to type in this include picture without any space, my friends. Now I am going to give space, just insert double quotation. Now I am going to paste what I cut. Paste. See, now I am going to end this with double quotations. Now it's over, my friends. See carefully. So within two braces, I just typed include picture without any space. Now you can see there is a space and photo field. Now I am going to merge these fields from Excel database to MS Word. Now you can see the last step, finish, edit individual documents, and click whatever current, from whatever you can select from 1 to 5, 1 to 10, but I have 1 to 10. I want to print all the records of the students, so let me click all. So I'm going to press enter. This is the final click of mail merge program. You see, now I created almost 10 people, 10 students marks memo. You can see, my friends, this is an extra. You don't need to worry about that. So you can see completely the 10 documents here. You can see, but you are thinking about where is the photograph. Don't worry about that. So you can see photograph with simple click here. Just select Control A to select the complete document. I just pressed Control A to select complete document. Now I am going to press, please listen carefully. I just pressed Control A to select complete document. Now I am going to press function key F9. Just so simple, my friends. Function key F9. See, I got the pictures of all the students here. You see, I just did for only 5 people here. 6, 7, 8, 9 I did not do. You see, my friends. See, this is first one. You got the picture here with the database, and the second one, you got the picture here, you got the data, and third and 4 and 5. Only for 5 students I inserted picture. For 6 one I did not do, that's why it showed error. So up to 5 people I did it. So this is so simple, my friends. Simple procedure of mail merge program in simple 6 steps. I hope you do like it. So if you like this document, please do subscribe and share my video, my friends. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.